Santa Claus is coming to town and we've got the perfect plum cake recipe you need to make your Christmas a merry one. For an easy hack that avoids days of soaking, we're going to boil our dry fruits in rum. We've used blackcurrants, raisins, cranberries, figs, and of course plums, which are also called prunes. Pour in your rum and simmer on medium heat. Once boiled, you can leave this to soak. People often let these soak for days to maximize flavor, but with this hack, a couple of hours of soaking is enough. Next, to ace the art of baking, always mix your dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry, in a bowl, mix 1 cup of flour with baking powder and some almond powder, which adds texture to this cake. For its distinctive rich flavor, we'll use spices. Some heaty cinnamon powder, some strong clove powder, and some ginger powder for warmth. Also add a pinch of salt. We'll whisk it all together, which means you can skip the sifting step. In a different bowl, cream some butter with some dark brown sugar until it turns a light brown color. Add 4 eggs into this mixture. Whisk gently after each addition. We don't want to overmix. But if your batter doesn't look super smooth right away, don't worry, it'll come together soon. Now add your dry ingredients into the wet mixture, followed by the rum-soaked fruits. Next, add the zest of a whole orange and lemon, which pack a whole lot of flavor, along with some tutti frutti. We'll also add in about a cup of orange juice. Fold this mixture until everything is combined. This batter won't be very runny. Now onto the baking. Grease the tin and line it properly with baking paper. We're using a spring foam tin, but if you don't have one, line the sides as well. And transfer the final mixture into it. Smooth out the top and you're ready to bake. You'll know the cake is done once the smell of Christmas wafts through your home and the top is browned. We'll check the doneness by inserting a skewer and making sure it comes out clean. Now we're going to puncture the cake and pour over some rum to really enhance that toasty flavor. Once cooled, sprinkle the top with some snowy icing sugar and enjoy it with your favorite people. Christmas seems incomplete without a little something sweet, and this fruity dessert is perfect to bring in the festive cheer. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and thanks for watching.